welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be foundation first impression, and I'm going to try a new foundation for you. And yes, actually this is the second time I'm trying this foundation, and I'm going to try the foundation and you can see if the coverage is good for you. You can see if the price is good for you. You can see if you can see if you want to buy this product or not. You can see if the foundation is matching your expectations. You can see if the finish of the foundation is good for your skin type. And yes guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, this is the foundation I'm going to try today for you. This is the Dose of Colors Meteor Hue Foundation. This is the shade 117. I ordered this foundation online, and this foundation retails for $36. And there is a lot of shades. You can find shade for like every skin tone, and it is amazing. Also, this is how the foundation looks like. It looks luxurious. It's a gloss, and also it has a pump, which is amazing. You can see this is how the foundation looks like. I already used this foundation in one of my previous videos, and this is how it looks like. You can see it looks luxurious. This packaging looks amazing. For a high-end foundation, the price is really good, and also you can order this from Dose of Colors and also from Ulta. And yes, and as I said, I'm going to use the shade 117, and yes, let's try it. I already tried this foundation, but today I'm going to try this for you. And yes, okay, before applying the foundation, I'm going to use my current favorite moisturizer from Fresh Beauty. You can see this foundation is medium coverage. It covers enough. I have a lot of breakouts, you can see, and it covers them like pretty good. Actually, you can make it to be like full coverage if you want. And I used 3 pumps, and as you can see, it covers like everything. And yes, also the shade is pretty good for me and for my skin tone. Yes. You can see it covers like everything. It covered my breakouts, it covers like blemishes, and it covers the redness, it covers like all the little like imperfections. It covered all the blemishes and all the breakouts. You can see the finish of the foundation is like a satin matte finish. It's not like too glowy or too matte, and it looks just like beautiful satin finish. It looks like a skin, but a little bit more glowy and beautiful and healthy looking skin. And yes, I really like this foundation. I like the coverage. I like the way it looks on my skin, and also I like the undertone, which looks amazing for my skin tone. And also it's really lightweight, which is amazing. I love full coverage foundations, but I also want the foundation to be lightweight, and this foundation is amazing and I love it. Okay guys, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera and come back to share with you my final thoughts about this foundation. And yes, okay guys, this foundation looks amazing, and you can see how beautiful and flawless and full coverage is this foundation. I really love it. I set the foundation with a lot of powder, and also I did my makeup and applied a lot of like contour and bronzer and highlight and highlighter, and you can see it looks amazing. It's flawless, it's full coverage. Yes, it says this foundation is like medium coverage, but the coverage is full coverage. I applied a little bit more, and this foundation layers so beautifully, and this looks like amazing. You can see how flawless it looks like, and it's really long wearing. And even when I'm trying to remove my makeup, it's really like difficult to remove this foundation, because it's really like high quality foundation, and it's really long wearing. It looks beautiful, it looks amazing, and you are getting an amazing product for the price you pay, because this is a like a high-end foundation. And also I think this foundation is really worth it, because it looks amazing, it looks flawless. You can see it looks beautiful. I love this foundation. It looks amazing, and I highly recommend you to try this foundation. And yes, and also if you want to see what products I used to create this makeup, all the products I used for this makeup will be on my Instagram with the pictures, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is makeup by Aram. And yes guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you're not already, and yes, love you. See you in my next video. Bye.